I've always kind of enjoyed computers ever since I was a little girl and my parents got an Apple IIe. I would play around on it and write little mini programs and create little games.
I always liked computers, but I was always kind of intimidated of computer science because, so much math, so much programming and stuff.
So my grandfather used to be a high school principal, and he would bring home old computers, old monitors, anything else that he could find. So I'd take them apart, I'd figure out how they worked, and he'd just let me go to town on them.
Got a degree in fine art, and once the recession hit, if I was going to go into rebuilding my career again, this is what I wanted to do for good.
I had an interest in computer science, so I walked up to the IT help desk at Monroe campus and I asked the supervisor at the time if he could answer my questions, and he kind of offered me a job on the spot. I started working there shortly after, and that really sparked my interest in the computing field.
IT has such a wide variety of tasks. You could be answering phones and telling people to reboot their computers, all the way up to taking their computers apart and figuring out that something's unplugged from the motherboard. Every day could bring something different, all sorts of challenges.
Everybody's helpful, learning center, the librarians, the faculty and staff. It is a great place to start. It's very welcoming, very friendly. The community's very tight-knit.
Staff that are here are all grade A. They're top-notch and they're wonderful, and they will work with you to do whatever you want to do. And they will bend over backwards for you as long as you can show them that you're going to take the resources that you're given and make the most of them.
I am going to just continue moving forward until I get this degree, and by the time I do, I'll already have a career. It's a win-win. At such a young age, it's hard to expect somebody to know what they want to do for the rest of their life. Student success, GPS, is a really good idea for all the students out there that are still uncertain about where they want to go with their career.